Hey guys, it's Rebecca Oberstadt, and in today's video I'm going to be doing a monochromatic green eye look using the BH Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil palette. Everything used on my eyes will be linked in the description box down below. I did record this and cut it up into smaller pieces and post it on Instagram last week, but I figured since I still had the original video file that was like 12 minutes long, I figured I would cut out any like the extra time where I'm like hunting for a brush or I drop something or things like that. So what you're seeing now are just pictures of the finished look, and we're going to be getting into the eye look. I am not going to be talking through this. This isn't a talk through tutorial. I do show you every shade that I use before I pick it up, and hopefully you enjoy. If you do, give me a thumbs up on this video and leave a comment down below. See you guys later. Have a great day or night.